Here, I'm going to do it on this side. You come around to this side. Use the little ramp and be a safe girl. Yeah, can you do that? Look at Monte Carlo. Monte Carlo is in the right spot. Using the tools properly. Yeah. And Nova is a daredevil. Standing on the edge. Are you going to get that? Coo, come on back. You little goofball. So they now drink out of a gerbil water bottle through the night because I've been taking them water like 3-5 times in the middle of the night because I know they dump their water as soon as everybody gets around to drinks. And if anybody's busy, sometimes they don't even get a drink before somebody dumps it and they all roll in it. Is that super fun? Judge Man, go around and stand beside him. Why are you both over there when the water's over here? Have you not seen them sticking their head in here biting the water? They're biting it. They have water in their bowl. Oh, actually, they don't have water in their bowl anymore. That's not a big surprise. I brought them filtered water out of the house. I didn't bring them any ice cubes today. See, they're playing with it. They're not. Like I said, it's in the mouth, so I hit the middle of their forehead. Oh, I see what you're saying. Now you got your head all wet. Is it more fun over here? Boop, boop. Oh, they probably like the noise it makes. There you go. There you go, Judge Man. I don't think he likes his face being wet. But he likes playing in the water. He goes, she's crazy. You all right, Judge Man?